Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enter prank mode on your Earbuds EARFUN Air Pro 4. And we have two options how to enter prank mode. The first one is to open the charging case. If your earbuds are not connected with another devices, they will enter to prank mode. You know it by the LED light what blinking white right here. But also we can enter to prank mode manually. To enter prank mode manually, inside the charging case we have connection button, and you need to press and hold it for at least 3 seconds until the LED light start blinking white like what I have right now. So you just 1, 2, 3 and you enter to prank mode manually. Now we should see these headphones at the device list. We have them, so we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!